Man, gang, we back with another one. Lego. But I'm gonna be honest though, cars sound a lot better with the Catless mids on, but there's a sad and honest truth about it, man. So let's get into this video. All right, so honestly, man, the sad truth about the Catless mids is just the fact that, first of all, so if you don't know what catalytic converters is, pretty much it keeps the fumes from the fuel escaping and polluting the air, right? As well as it restricts some of the airflow from the engine out, right? So it keeps some of the air from getting out as fast as it needs to, which reduces horsepower sometimes, or in most cases it will reduce horsepower, right? So when you take those cats off, then you start to smell all the fumes. You start to smell the gas. It's really strong. Some people like the smell, some people don't like the smell. So I'm gonna be honest, if y'all been thinking about doing the Catless mids for the sound, make sure you're okay with the smell of the fumes and literally smelling like gas all day, because it's gonna be on your clothes, everything. The whole inside of the car is gonna smell like that. It won't smell brand new anymore. But I'm not gonna lie to y'all, it sounds amazing. Like, I love the way it sounds. So I'm gonna rock out with mine, and I didn't want to cut nothing off of the car. I'd rather take off the stuff that just bolts back on if I needed to go back on. So that Catless mids seemed to be the most simple thing to do, just to get them to bolt right back on, right? If I needed to. Now the other thing is, if you drive in your car and you're super quiet, when you're driving in your car, you keep everything quiet, you don't have music playing or whatever, right? There is a weird little noise. It just sounds like the fuel flowing through the Catless mids. It just sounds like something just rolling down in the pipe. So that's kind of, it don't bother me, like, cause I listen to music. I know I bump music on a daily basis, so I have my music up. I really don't hear it. Another downside to it is sometimes you may not hear your supercharger anymore. So if you got a stock airbox, you may not hear your supercharger with the Catless mids. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, because the Catless mids are loud inside the car. Another thing that I really wasn't too happy about was all the vibrations. So all the vibrations that you get from the Catless mids, because there's nothing holding that sound in, there's nothing restricting that airflow. It's just fully open now. So it's like you're gonna get you're gonna get mad vibrations all around the car, from the dash to the doors, everything. And in my experience so far, it seems like the car shakes a little bit more too. God damn, Delta Sonic Pack. Like I was saying anyway, in my experience, it's just the car rumbles a little bit more too. So you gotta take in consideration of all those things when you get ready to do Catless mids. Now my boy, he has Catless mids and he has his resonators deleted, so I know that's crazy. Wow, how his, like, riding in the inside of, I know that's crazy the way he got his set up. I don't plan on going that far, but I may. Who knows? I don't know. I may like this. I may go that route once it gets a little warmer. And as y'all can see, my check engine light is on, because you need the O2 oxygen spacers, so that way it seems like not as much air is flowing through those Catless mids. So I do have those on order. They were like 15 bucks. I'm gonna put the link in the video so that whoever has the Stainless Works or any other Catless mids, you need those spacers, man, if you don't want your check engine light on. Because now every morning I can't start my car in the freezing cold. I can't start my car, so it has you can remote start it, but it will only remote start for like 5 to 10 seconds, it'll shut right down, because it's just because of that check engine light. It won't allow the car to stay running. Do your research, man. I'm gonna be honest with you, I usually do my research, but I definitely didn't do my research with the Catless mids. I knew you were gonna smell the fuel, but I didn't know it was this bad. Like I said, it doesn't bother me, but I do have my son in the car with me all the time. I do got my girl in the car a lot. They don't like the smell of it, and even when they're not in the car with me and I come home, it's all over my hoodie, my jackets and stuff, so it just smells like straight fuel. So like I said, just gotta do a little bit of research. I'm leaving it like this because I just like the way it sounds. So we're gonna leave the car like this anyway. But if that's one of those things where you need to do a little bit of research, make sure y'all check it out, man. Make sure y'all watch y'all videos and stuff. This is why I do these videos, so that the next person knows. Remember, this isn't just a street car. This is my daily driver. I drive it every day, just for basic, regular, everyday stuff. So I just don't take it out for days I want to go run it with other cars. I drive it every single day. So you gotta take that into consideration, y'all, when you think about doing this to your car, because most people do it for the performance part of it. I really didn't care about the performance part of it. I just wanted the car to wake up a little bit more without cutting anything off of the car, like the resonators or anything. So for now, this is good for me. For those who may do this and have their car as a daily driver too, you may not want this because the fumes are strong. But what I did notice is you only smell the fumes once the car is warming up. Once the car is already warm, you're good to go. I've only noticed like really bad fumes when the car is cold and you first start it up. That's when the fumes are bad. But other than that, I haven't really heard. Oh my God, joint sound crazy. But other than that, I really haven't smelled fumes once the car warms up. So that's a good part about it. You can get over that part of driving around in it for the first 10-15 minutes while the car warming up. After that, it's good to go. I really don't smell much after that. So, but that's really all I wanted to talk to y'all about, man. Today I gotta go to the store real quick. It's Sunday. Today's a chill day for me. I really don't do videos on Sundays, but I figured why not tell you about the cats, how they going for me right now. For me, they going great. They got a little louder over the days from when I first got it. It's been about, I want to say, a full week since I had them now. I love it. I love the way it sounds, bro. Like, I get a lot of backfires now. On low throttle, it's just got a lot more deep tone to it. Like, I just love the way it sounds. It's got way more deep tone to it. So I'm gonna show y'all. I'm in 5th gear at under 2,000 RPM. It just sounds more alive, man. There is a little weird, like I said, without the music, you can literally hear all the sounds from the car. There is a little weird, like, raspy sound at the end. But it really sounds good. But that's only at high gear, low RPMs that you hear that weird raspiness to it. But other than that, it sounds great. It's the Stainless Works Catless Mids. They were $418. Honestly, you can really do it yourself. I could have did it myself, but I don't have a lift. I could have put it on jack stands, but I also don't have jack. That's why I didn't do it myself. I just had my guy do it. Very simple to do. You literally only need a couple jack stands and simple tools just to get the bolts off. And that's pretty much it. And make sure you have those spacers. Again, I'm gonna put the link to the spacers below. I got them from eBay. They were like 15 bucks for 2. They were like $8 a piece. You just add 2 in, because obviously you need 2 for one for each side. Okay, got a little something. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yo, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. The snaps in between gears sound ridiculous now. Sound crazy. That's the main part I really wanted. I wanted those snaps in between the gears to get just a little bit louder, because they sound good on stock setup. But man, when you let some of that that air flow through there, oh my God, it sounds amazing, y'all. So I mean, personally, I recommend the Catless Mids. If you can handle the fumes, if you can handle smelling like gas, a little bit of gas sometimes, I recommend the Catless Mids, man. You gotta think, people drew around, cars didn't have them back then, man. That's all they had. So I think you'll be all right without them, unless it really bothers you. Like, to me, it smells good. To some people, it doesn't smell good. Now, what you also have to take in consideration in the winter, if you're gonna drive your car in the winter like me, you got your heat blasting 24/7, right? So all those fumes are gonna come right through your heating system. It's gonna come right into the car. So just be prepared for stuff like that, man. Like I said, that's why I'm doing this video. Oh my God. That's why I'm doing this video, so that y'all prepared for stuff like that. So y'all know, if y'all do this to your car, and I'm talking about any car, it don't matter if it's this car, Corvette, Scat Pack, BMW, any of those cars that you take the cats off, you're gonna smell the fuel. Now my man, he got E85, so he said his smell amazing, and I was like, yeah, I know that corn smell good, but I'm running on 93, so just regular gas right now. Oh my God, it won't stick. I gotta lot of snow on that back tire. Like I said, man, do y'all research when y'all doing stuff to your car. I knew what Catless mids were. I just didn't know how, like I said, I didn't know how strong the smells and stuff was gonna be. That's the only thing I didn't do my research on. I knew what I was getting into. Dang, that Gladiator was hard. Yo, and people be loving it too. When I rev it, they be loving it, bro. Loving it. But anyway, that's all I want to talk to you about, man, is the Catless mids. The stainless works Catless mids. They sound amazing to me, bro. Like, I would do it all over again. There, like I said, it's just that those couple few things that I was just like, oh, wait, I didn't know anything about this. I didn't know about all the vibrations. Again, which really don't bother me because I play loud music. I didn't know about that weird sound underneath the car where it just sounds like there's just water running down. Like you can, it literally sounds like water's just running down the pipe. That's what it sounds like. Every time you give it gas, that's exactly what it sounds like. So, stuff like that, I was just like, you know, it is what it is. Like, it ain't gonna kill me. I'm not too worried about it. Oh, he got a nice little. That joint hard, bro. I'm feeling that. Got the little AM, know what I'm saying, with the little splitter kit on the front. That joint hard. Ooh, I see you, champ. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video, man. Hopefully y'all like the information. If y'all need, I'm gonna put the link in for the Catless mids too if y'all want them. It goes for the 6'4", 6'2", any of the Hemi platforms. So let me know what y'all think about the Catless mids. It sounds amazing. Like I said, it sounds great. It's got way more of a tone to it. That's all I got for y'all today, man. Y'all know the vibes. I'm gonna tell y'all every day, man. Stay safe, stay positive, stay motivated, man. I'm gonna see you on the next video, man. Peace.